B-Mac, this is me texting you back. You're in this video now. B-Mac is my biggest fan, and she's hot too, let me tell you. I'm out today at one of my favorite spots, but you can't see nothing today. It's raining and it's foggy. The cloudy abyss. I got the big beast out today. One of my favorite little trails over here is closed, so on to something else for now. We got some deer down here. Trying out, I got 2 cameras now. I got a 2-camera system. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna pull that off. I use one of them just to film like slow motion stuff. And then of course I use the other one for what I'm doing with right now. This is my old hiding place when I worked at the railroad. Wow, they've busted the windows out. My goodness. This is Oakdale, Tennessee. That's the new toy, work truck for doing storm damage, contractor storm damage on cell tower sites. This truck fits right in, right down here. Man, if the Dukes of Hazzard had had something like that, they could have they would have had any problems with roadblocks or anything. They could have just pushed right through. I don't know if I've told y'all before, but I used to be a railroader and I got bought out. But man, oh, the smell of that brings back some memories. I feel like I'm at work. I miss it, I'm not gonna lie. I miss being a railroader. Today's just a shakedown day. Plus I wanted to get the beast out. The truck is humongous. If you drive the Colorado and a Jeep around, this truck seems like a school bus. shoot, it fits right in down here. It looks just like an old railroad supervisor truck. And it could have been, I don't know. I don't know where it came from. I know it was a fleet truck. I bought it off of a dealership that only sells fleet vehicles. I like fleet vehicles. I like the work truck style, you know. You can just be a little rougher on a fleet truck. And you know they've been taken pretty good care of. For the most part. I mean, when I worked at the railroad, we had to take care of our trucks. We couldn't just destroy them. And you got in trouble. You got some serious trouble if you had any damage on your work truck. They wanted to know how that got there. I'm having a snack. I promise I'm not a train buff. I'm not one of those, what you call a rail fan. A rail fan, yeah. But I admit, this is a cool place if you want to look at trains, if you're one of those people. Yeah, you get one of them bad boys stuck in a tire, you're done. There's no plug in that. Definitely not going to be taking no railroad property. Wow, what is that? It's a good enough place to bring something if you want to get rid of it. Yeah, there was a hotel right there where that fence line is. Let's see if I can find some pictures of it to put up with the video. There's the big Oakdale Bridge. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, today was just a shakedown day. This video is not going to have much, but I'll quit putting up junk videos and start doing real ones. I do got some good plans ahead for some good videos for you guys. Got another GoPro, so I got a 2-camera setup now. I don't know if you watched my last video, but I have started using music in my videos. I just don't think you should do outdoorsy videos and play loud techno music. I kind of like the quiet videos with no music, but then again, I think music adds a little depth and gives it a little atmosphere. So we'll see how that goes. I haven't been doing any real videos the past few months because unfortunately I've had a sick dog and he passed away. Actually, I had to have him put down on January 23rd. And I'm not gonna lie, that was the saddest day of my life. My sweet Basset hound Bo. But hey, he was 15 years old. You know, in July of 2022, I actually got some news that his kidneys were shutting down. That my vet thought, you know, we should let him go then. Or she didn't really, you know, she was like, let's keep him comfortable and see. But she didn't see him lasting very much longer after that. And I had to spend a lot of time with him. I had to inject fluids into his under his hide, which was that was not easy. I had to do that about every 3 days. Anyway, I was just the past 6 months, I basically was just trying to spend as much time with him as I could. The day finally came and he was ready to go. I don't mean to take it on a sad note. This is not a sad story. It was very sad losing him that day, but I mean, he had a good 15 years and he didn't suffer for those 6 months. He actually felt pretty good. It was just I think his last week was a little rough, and then I knew it was time. He was telling me it was time. So as sad as it was, it couldn't have went any better. And I guess you guys know how sad it is to lose a pet. I'm sure everybody does, and especially when you have to go the dread of taking them to have them put down. That's the worst day ever. But my vet was great. She made it where it wasn't that bad of, you know, she did the best. It was the best bad day you could ever have. It was they were awesome. Dedicating this video to my sweet Basset hound Bo. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't much, but I'm trying to get back out there, get back in the groove, start putting weekly videos up. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and that would make me so happy. That would make me so happy. All right, you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching.